Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. In our today's session, we are going to have a look at the partitive articles. Article, partitif. So in French, we have three types of articles. Article défini, article indéfini, and article partitif. For the first two articles, I have uploaded a video already. So please go and have a look at that and you will be sorted for the rest. Talking about the partitive articles talk about the uncountable nouns. So what are uncountable nouns? For example, water, coffee, rice, pasta. So first of all, partitive article is needed when talking about an unknown or unspecified quantity of something uncountable. So we have four types of partitive articles. The first one is for the masculine singular nouns, that is du. So masculine singular uncountable nouns, du. Du pain, that is for bread. I can never say I'm eating bread. It's always going to be I'm eating a slice of bread or I'm eating some bread. Du lait, that is for milk. Du vin, wine. Talking about the feminine singular uncountable nouns, it's going to be de la for that. So de la viande, de la salade, de la glace. Talking about the uncountable nouns starting with a vowel, we are going to use de and l apostrophe for the same. So de l'eau, de l'huile, de l'argent. I cannot count money as well. Yes, you can say that I know how much money do I have, but can you actually count it? Can you actually say that I have 2 money or I have 3 money? No, it's always going to be I have some money. Now the last one, talking about the plural uncountable nouns. For that, we are going to use des. Des pâtes, des frites, des gens. Now comes the examples. Let's have a look at few of the examples. J'ai de l'argent. I have some money. J'ai de l'argent. Avez-vous du lait? Avez-vous du lait? Do you have some milk? Elle mange de la salade. Elle mange de la salade. She is eating some salad. Elle aime manger des frites. Elle aime manger des frites. Now if you see over here in the first case, j'ai de l'argent, I cannot count money. That's why I have used de along with it. Alright? De l'argent. Avez-vous du lait? Do you have some milk? In this case, milk, which is uncountable and it's masculine in gender, for that I'm using the partitive article du. Elle mange de la salade. Salade, that is feminine in gender and it's uncountable. For that, I'm using the partitive article de la. And in the last case, since it's in plural, we are going to use de. Très bien. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!